we are back for another Edible Plague episode. Thanks for tuning in again, you guys. This one is
the Plague of Hail and Fire.
Excuse me. So, the ingredients that we used for this is matzo and some frosting. We chose white frosting, and Ariella basically divvied it up into 3 separate bowls, and she added red food coloring for one, and then yellow food coloring for the second one, and then red and yellow food coloring mixed together to make orange. And of course she did all that to represent the fire that came down with the hail. The last ingredient that we used are these sugar pearls that we found. We honestly searched forever to find something that would represent hail. So it's some pretty hail.
Ariella.
I already said no.
So what are you doing, Ariella?
I'm putting it into different areas, and then I'm going to use this to make the texture and marble it together and stuff. I might use toothpicks too, I don't know yet.
Marble. Fascinating.
This turned more pink than... It's a pastel color.
That's why I
It's supposed to be red, right?
Yeah, it's supposed to be red.
That's why I want to add
Close
this.
enough.
That's red.
Add more.
Not the yellow.
Is this pink?
So what is this
looks
for
like
now?
taffy.
No,
This is for the
That's
hail.
not pink, Ryan.
Hail and fire.
Yeah.
The hail that
The hail
came with fire and
Yeah.
everything else.
Yeah, this is the
destroyed
hail.
almost everything that blew all the stuff behind.
Yeah, that's the hill.
The hail balls.
Why'd you take a shower, Dad?
What are you doing now?
I'm marbling things together.
Making it look like fire?
As much as I can. Bet you missed. I want to try.
Did you take a video?
So as you can see, we had way too much fun with this one. So stay tuned. We have more to come. Lots more fun with the kiddos. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. You guys are awesome. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.